Oh, it's so hot. The one oyster you have to try before you die. Barbecue oyster.
Hey, check it. Hey, check it. Put the place up.
What's up, everyone? I hope you're all doing well. This is David Hoffman from Davidsbeenhere in beautiful San Francisco. I'm here with my boy Matt G, and today we're starting our 2-day road trip in partnership with Mazda. They gave us an MX5, 2019 MX5. The car is beautiful, it's compact. We're gonna see how we fit our bags. And today what we're doing is we're driving 4 hours north to Mendocino. Along the way, we're gonna stop at many points. We're gonna also try some oysters. I'm super excited. How about you?
I'm super excited. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's see how we fit all this in the trunk.
Okay.
Let's see how we do it. Hey, it's gonna be hard, man. Whoa. How's it gonna fit in there?
Let's try.
Let's try.
Yours first, maybe.
Mine first? No, I don't know about that. Oh, it's in. It fit.
There we go.
What?
We did it. All right.
You guys have to follow Matthew. He's an incredible photographer. Check him out on Instagram.
Matt G on Instagram. I don't have YouTube, but maybe one day. This guy
One day.
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Oh my God. Dude, it's tight.
It is tight.
It's tight. Oh, I love it though.
You have the keys?
I have the keys.
Okay.
Start.
Let's do it.
Feels good, dude.
Yeah, feels good.
Well, thank God we don't have a stick shift car because this would be hard uphill battle. This is super nice. It's a little tight, but it gets you like snug into it.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah, you just squeeze right in.
We're about to cross the Golden Gate Bridge. This bridge was built in 1933. It connects San Francisco to Marin County, and it's 1.7 miles long. My God, it's so foggy right now, you can barely see the bridge. It's pretty incredible though. This is how San Francisco is all the time. And it's a bit nippy right now. We're going up to Battery Spencer. It's a lookout point. From there we have incredible views over the Golden Gate Bridge and San Francisco. Whoa, dude, the fog. It is freezing. Dude, it's like 40 degrees right now. It's so cold. It's foggy. Wow, I've never been up here like this. What we're gonna do is we're gonna try to see if we can see the bridge. It should be poking through the fog. If not, we'll continue.
Can't really see much.
We have to go back. I think so. I mean, there's nothing here. And what is Battery Spencer? I guess this was like a military base. Our next stop is Point Reyes National Seashore. This is a 71,000 acre park that boasts a visitor center, hiking trails, expansive beaches. We're going here for 3 reasons: for a tree tunnel, for the lighthouse, and to try some delicious oysters. It's about a 1-hour drive on the 101. Let's go. Feel alive, baby, feel alive. The drive to Point Reyes is beautiful. You have these winding, hilly streets. As you can see, there's like a huge hill here. A lot of the brush is dry right now. It's really hot up here. I just took off my sweater because it went from like 55 degrees up to like 80 right now. We still have about a half hour to go. Let's continue driving this MX5.
What's up?
Wow, right now we're driving through some redwoods here. Really winding roads. Oh my God, this is incredible. Look at this. Dude, this is amazing. I've never been through redwoods like this. Is there a lot of spots like this in Cali?
Up in the northern parts of the state, there's a lot of redwoods, yeah.
Yeah. Have you eaten the oysters or no?
I have not. I did not know that the oyster place existed until
What?
My friend here told me about it.
I do a lot of research. We're passing through the town of Point Reyes. It's a small little town. It feels like a western village in a way. Here we're making a right and we're going down to Point Reyes National Seashore. Our first stop here in Point Reyes is this abandoned fishing boat. The story goes that the owners were gonna fix it up and they never got around to do it. And then people started coming here, taking photos, and now it's one of the most photographed spots in Point Reyes on Instagram. The best thing to do is come here on the way in to the lighthouse, get a few photos, and then continue.
No, the tree tunnel.
The tree tunnels first?
Yeah, the tree tunnels. They're not redwood trees, they're kind of spooky looking, I don't know what kind of, Cypress trees. And there's a road going down, and then the trees kind of line the road, and then sometimes it's foggy and it looks really spooky. And we'll see what happens, I guess.
We made it here to the Point Reyes Tree Tunnel. As you can see, it's a row of big cypress trees. We have a short half-mile road that goes all the way to the end to a building. From here, we were going to the lighthouse, but unfortunately it is closed today, so we're gonna go straight to Hog Island Oyster Company to eat some oysters. Let's go.
The last time I had oysters, maybe 5 years ago?
5 years ago?
Maybe?
No way.
Maybe.
The last oyster I had was actually in Jacksonville, and it was a Pacific Rock oyster, and it was like 6 ounces, like a big oyster.
Okay.
It was, dude, it was the best thing ever. From the tree tunnel to Hog Island Oyster Company, it's about a 30-minute drive, very windy road, and look, you have this beautiful bay right here. We finally arrived at Hog Island Oyster Company. They were founded in 1983 right here on Tomales Bay. That is the bay behind us. That is where they get their Hog Island sweetwater oysters, which we're gonna try right now. We're gonna try a dozen. We're also gonna try their barbecue grilled chipotle bourbon garlic butter oysters. Oh, that sounds crazy delicious. And right here is their oyster bar. As you can see, the setting is ridiculous. Right here, beautiful summer day. If you get in the shade, it's a little cold. That's why I have a jacket on. We're gonna try a halibut crudo. Like right in this bay, in Tomales Bay.
Yeah.
So here we have our dozen oysters and our barbecue oysters. This looks incredible. But let me start with the regular oysters, because I love raw oysters. Gotta get a little bit of lemon right here. So there's 2 ways to do this. Either I use this, put it out, or I slurp it. Oh, so fresh. Oh my God, this is so delicious. Dude, this is ridiculous. There's a huge difference from eating oysters directly from the farm and eating in a restaurant. This is incredible. Oh, the juice is there. Barbecue oyster. I've had charboiled oysters, but I've never had chipotle barbecue oysters. Oh my God. It's not too hot. Oh. What? This is like oyster heaven right here. Oh, and it's still hot.
It's good.
Oh my God. Freshest oyster I've ever had.
Barbecue. It's so good.
Barbecue oyster. Never had this before. Oh, like butter with barbecue?
So my name's Olivia, and so this is like the whole processing area of the oysters. You guys are going to be trying the extra small sweetwaters, which are the oysters that come right out from the bay from us. They'll bring them in on the truck, and they come in kind of like big metal nets, and then they'll hit the seaweed off of they'll hang it up on these hangers right here. They'll hit the seaweed off and any extra sea life that gets caught in the nets. And then they'll go over onto the conveyor belt. They'll be rotated and then put in the tanks. We have barbecue oysters, yes. Chipotle bourbon butter. Barbecue oysters. The halibut special we have today is a raw halibut crudo. And then it comes over an avocado lime crema with toasted garlic and then a chili vinaigrette. The oyster stout is from Hen House, which is a local brewery in Santa Rosa.
And then, so it was founded in 1983, you said? Or?
Yes.
Okay.
It's so good.
Yeah? It's just like the sea.
Citrusy, really fresh.
Oh, look at that. Oh my God. The fish is like butter. Nice citrus. There's also some jalapenos, so a little spice. You get another plate. This is so freaking good. They have some of the best oysters in California. The barbecue oyster is ridiculous. It's one of my top oysters of all time. And that halibut, I can't stop thinking about it, but that's only a weekly special, so if you're here this week, you'll get it. If not, hopefully they have another great special when you come here. After eating some oysters, we headed along the coast to Mendocino. It's about a 3-hour drive, and it's really epic here. As you can see, this is the Russian River. It exits into the ocean right here. And if you go up the river, you can go to some of the best wineries in Sonoma County. And this is just amazing. Wow, that's very nice.
Yeah, I know.
No, it's really incredible. This viewpoint right here is sick. Woo! It's really fun though. I'll tell you that. It's like, this thing grips the road. I love how it's so curvy and windy and uphill and downhill. The only thing is I feel like Matt's gonna throw up soon.
I'm not gonna throw up.
Whoa.
I might throw up.
Oh wow, look at that.
I'm probably a more conservative driver than you are.
So our next stop on this adventure is Bowling Ball Beach. And basically this beach is full of these huge stones that look like giant bowling balls. I'm excited. Of all the beaches I saw here on the map, this one looks like the best one. So the Bowling Ball Beach has no signs. The only way you know where it is the sign that says, what does it say?
Schooner Gulch.
Schooner Gulch.
Schooner, schooner, something like that.
Something like that.
Yeah.
And then you park your car and you take the second trail up. So the only problem here is that if it's high tide, you won't see these huge stones. Hoping we see them. Woo! Windy. Nothing, right?
I don't see anything. Maybe they're right there, I don't know.
I mean, that's the part about traveling that's amazing, is that it's not about the destination, it's the journey. We had a fun day today, getting here.
Is it really about this journey?
We got about 1 hour drive to go. It's a bummer we didn't see the big bowling balls, but that's always a great reason to come back. So let's go to Mendocino. What a long day. It's been really a beautiful ride. And now we're headed to our last stop of the day. It's called the Heritage House Resort. It's an incredible resort overlooking the Pacific Ocean, about 20-minute drive south of Mendocino. And from what I've seen, each room is just beautiful. Once we get there, I'm gonna give you a tour of my room. Let's go.
A lot of Miatas.
A lot of Miatas.
Lots of Miata.
Thank you.
Thank you. See you later at dinner.
See you in a bit. Thank you so much. This property is incredible. Heritage House Resort on the Mendocino coast. Look at my cottage. This is so sick. So I have a huge room, king size bed, TV. I'm loving this bathroom. This is so sweet. This place reminds me of like a ranch style resort that I would go to, I don't know, in South Africa or something. Looks really nice, and it also feels like Ireland. And this is my deck. I mean, I'm in love with this place. And every single room in this resort has a view of the Pacific Ocean. So I hope you love the drive today. My favorite part was probably the barbecue oysters and the halibut. The food was ridiculous. Wow, so freaking good. And the drive is just amazing. I mean, it's definitely something you have to add to your bucket list. Driving along the Pacific Highway in California. You know, we did it from San Francisco up to Mendocino. And definitely do it in a convertible. I'd say do it in an MX5, a Mazda MX5. Definitely worth it. And if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you on the next travel adventure. Peace.